Sunrise Boss Production.
Coconut put clams. We could have go down go peel them out. Alright, time to get out the. After I take it out of the shell, you know. Yes, we can get all of the milk there. Fried chicken and the fried nuggets them ready. Yeah, final touch of the food is cool. Now the freezer get some coolness soon. What's up? What going on? Beautiful place. Big up on yourself whether in the yard or abroad. You don't know me then at the outdoor kitchen today. Yeah man, as usual, the hard man style outdoor vibes. So you don't know. I want to deal with some rice and peas today because you don't know a Sunday. So I want to deal with some rice and peas and some French fried chicken, yard man style. That I want to deal with and also I want to go to the bush to see if I can find some coconut. I want to find at least 1 or 2 coconut to use cook my rice and peas, you know what I mean? Also I want some fire tick. So I see if I can find some fire tick. You don't know me, I do my thing outdoor style, cook on some fire tick. You don't know things set, you have to skill to do them cooking because flames you know easy to turn down, you know what I mean, and you know easy to turn up. You have to know if you control a little outdoor cooking business about. Just do the right thing, subscribe to the channel, remember to tell a friend. Yes, I'm gonna jump in a bush now. See me can find the fire tick them and the coconut and come back come stir up some rice and peas. You know what I mean? Yeah man, yard man style. So just do the right thing now man. Share up the video, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. In a real life, as a Sunrise Boss, deal with it. You know what I mean? Yeah man, fully active. Yeah, do it. Yeah, down a bush now. You know things set more go. See if we can find the coconut. And you don't know more some fire ticks. So right now, coconut tree me I go right now, and if I find the coconut, see if we can find some fire tick and go back to the yard and start my cooking in a real life. So just pray. So I find 1 coconut or 2 or 3. Any amount I find, I'm glad you see it in a real life. So just subscribe to the channel. As you can see, we start the coconut tree in the background. So me I see what I want. Just subscribe to the channel. Yep. That's I'm going with the kneesberry. 38. 38 find a big kneesberry. Watch out. Nice. Right kneesberry? Yeah man. So I got piece of animal in there in a bush. And a kneesberry tree. You know always be where the dogs them find the kneesberry first guys. Them can scent good as it peeps. Yeah man. 45 a walk a look. Come here, me find one before him see one here. Boy drop and bust out. Watch ya, him take you all out of me hand like a film. When you see what going peeps, the dog just take you out of me hand. 45. So you think set. Yeah man. So see a coconut tree there. You can see that one is just that bare. But over there so you have a bigger coconut tree. So I go over there. Go see if I can find the coconut. But right now, I look if I can find no kneesberry. But the dog them a fuss me. Yeah man, to be honest, dog them a fuss me. Watch out, every kneesberry I find a half. Watch out, 45, I take, who not get none yet? 73, come. Come. What you might wanna go? Come. 45, easy, you know, just take one out of me and move. Come now man. 45, what? Already. Alright, 45. Come. Take piece. Piece? Yeah, and piece of the 38. Good girl. Good boy. Well, in the pan one now, I'm going to look my coconut cause time to cook my dinner. I go deep over in a bush over there, so subscribe to the channel now, man. Wanna? Well, the pan is very there, and people watch her. Big and pretty. Today, big and pretty. Boy, buy it out. Come 45. Big gooseberry again. So, boss, I big in a you know. Grade 45. Yeah, man. Hello. Belly almost full already. I find around me eat on 6 gooseberry already. If no more, I know no less. I see it, I'm still a 4 in my hand and 45 and 38 the hand. I 3 them I make them go up. So it's a good look. You see that peeps? The bush fruitful. I come and look coconut. And I find how much gooseberry eat to my belly full. I know I'm not reach a coconut tree. But I sure know so when I left here so now, at the coconut tree I go, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Gooseberry and them nice. Right now all them here, if I never have no juice, all them here I could go down and make some juice. But I think I go juice sour sap. Yeah man, the good old sour sap that me I go juice in the evening. Yeah. So the right thing now, subscribe to the channel. See, you just see it already and the first thing I see I was. But see them 45 now go around there so watch out what's all a fly here so too. Watch out peeps Jano. I'm in a coconut tree you know. And come like whole heap with the pan and then drop off or somebody pick them, you know. You can see one tick and there. So you don't know if somebody pick them or then drop off, but I look if I see them. And wasp come like there 45, watch out for wasp. Wasp a fly. Yeah big boy. Watch out for wasp, wasp a fly. Let me see one. This no good. One more. Huh? Peeps! Fine coconut. Plot clammers. God good and God great. Fine coconut. Then me can't find no more. Don't know more. Thank you coconut tree. Can't cook me Sunday dinner. Yep. Can't find no more. These people have a stick here, you know, man. Where am I gonna go? Come like you know good though. That shake, you know? Yeah. I wanna find coconut a bush and it a shake. That mean you do a peeps. You good, you know? Yeah man, you good man. Then we can't find no more, find 2. Then we can't find no more. See we can't find no more. You can move the limb. Okay, see when coconut drop off a tree enough time, the limb then can drop off back on them so don't hide. Come like Uncle 2 me I go find, you know. 38, come! What's in there, so? Yeah, come like Uncle 2 me I go find people, so. Still grateful for them 2 them. I can go down go see. If nothing in them, I'm gonna peel them out up here in the bush, I don't know. But I'm gonna go down go peel them out and make you see how they look in a real life find 2 coconut. Subscribe to the channel, man. Yes, one tap you now and take up some firewood for car done. We do the cooking. Yeah man, then I look you now. Then I go cook the rice and cheese pan. Nice fire tick there. 45 minutes just come from bush. And you're gonna lay them on the fireside. You know, cook me go cook burger, you can't do that. But yeah, 45 can lay down right in the fireside, peeps. Like him and said, no cooking. 45, get up. Come, get up. Up. Yes, yes, on the fireside. Catch me fire here now. Put in my fire tip them. And then you know things set. Easy like that. Yeah. Put 3 on that side, you put 3 on the next side, you only so 2. And you know, so you're catching at the middle. Yeah, man, so now go through here now. And catch up with fire. Put on my peas, because you know that are the toughest thing. While peas are boiled, you know, I can't like grate the coconut when I find from my bush. And I peel it out here, I have to peel it out, I couldn't see how them look. But see there, fire me go catch you now. Yeah, fire catch up. So you know, say ashes more ashes the pot you know. Yeah man, if you rub some ashes on the pot so you know black up. And easy for wash off. Yeah man, easy as that. Then I'm ready to go up on the fire with the peas and some water. Fire there ketchup. Yes I. Then I'm fire now the bush, you know. Peeling time. Cause get the coconut there in the ox. And look like it good too, you know. Yard man peeling me again. Like it good. Watch all your finger now. If you don't watch your finger, you know no finger. You know people who have 9 fingers. See a coconut. You see it good, you know. It look good. Wow. Peeps, it's good. It's good, peeps, acha. It's good. Bossy me couldn't see. Wow. Wow. Coconut water wash off the heart, boy. Subscribe to the channel, yeah, man. Bush life, nice. Pretty and nice. The part to come off right top, fly. Two of them good. It's a good look. They fight me. Hold on it. So you have to beat it off. Yes. Nice coconut. See there you have all the yai. This yai says subscribe to the channel before me juke out your yai. Yeah man. So you know so I line up for greater than I know. It's a good look. Put the pan the fire also the peas are boil. So cooking start. Subscribe to the channel. Radam. Alright, time to get out the coconut from out the shell, you know. That's our next technique part, you know, peeps. If you don't know how you do that, you cut up all yourself. But normally I just rest all my hand behind the shell and then put the knife on it and take time go down. Yeah. And the shell will take time loosen. But you have to know how because you cut yourself, peeps. So this you know the coconut. This is what I go grater and get the juice out of the milk out of. And just put in some water. Yeah, take off the ring. I'll do it myself, I cook for. But I could have a pass by where I want some dinner. So see it there? Yeah man, so I just go through, take it out of the shell. After I take it out of the shell, you know what I go do what? I go grate it, yardman style. Use my grater. No blender. Yeah man. So just do the right thing, subscribe to the channel. Me there I go and take it from out of the shell. Wash them off good. Then you know see we are grater them. Wash them off and rest them from the grater. Throw away water. And then you know see I'm ready for grater them. Throw away this. See it? See it? Grater go do the work. Yeah, grater me a grater coconut now, you know. Yeah, man. In Jamaica we call this a grater. Me grater coconut and then me throw a little water upon it. Me get all of the milk from out of it. Make the rice and peas nice. Yeah, done grater, you know. Done grater, you know. Throw some water upon it. So you know so I can get out the little milk when I want. And throw some water upon the grater. This enough make this soak out. Yes, we can get all of the milk there. You want all of the milk there. Yeah, when coconut ox them, put them under the fire too, you know, because you know them dry and can use cook. Yes, that is it. Yeah, see that? Still a soak off the coconut trash in some water, you know. And then I'm looking ingredients so I go use here now in a real life. You know, I have to deal with some vegetable because it's Sunday, so you think I feel active. Yeah man, over here so we have the chicken. Yeah man, I go clean out the chicken soon, you know, and yeah, after I done clean out the chicken and skinny, you know, say me I go fry it. Yardman style, is it? Yeah man. Right, so what's up this, you know? So what's up juice, me say, you know, peeps? Yeah man. Right now I take off his skin. And after I take off his skin, you know, say, the whole inside, that me I got put some water pan and then me I go get the juice out of it, similar to the coconut. Yes. Yeah, see it here? Yeah. Throw some water in it. Easy as that, babes. Put it on same way, make it soak. So me get everything out from out there. Yes. Yardman style, sunrise style, the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, chicken done clean up. Time for use up the seasoning them here now. And time to start French fried. So I go season it up here now. Yardman style, cut up all of my seasoning them and throw some seasoning over it. So I guess you're gonna see it when it done season up. Pretty done. cut up some scallion and onion and garlic on the chicken already, you know. Throw some jerk seasoning over in here now. And rub it in. Make sure say everything gets some seasoning. Yeah, and then I go fry this. Put on a frying pot with hot with some oil. And then throw in the chicken in it. Right. So that me I deal with. Look on it. Pretty. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure everything get little seasoning up. See it? Yeah, man, pretty. Peas still up on the fire cook. Peas not done yet. You know, say me still I wait for juice the coconut milk. I have the sauce up there so for juice same way. Peas still up on the fire. Alright, I'll well hot. Now so me fry up some scallion in here and pepper and onion. Then I give oil a buzz so you make the chicken nice, you know what I mean? So like when you see them black, you know say a time for them come out. So I take them from out of the pot now and then flour the chicken and put the chicken in the pot. The fans just subscribe to the channel now, man. Yeah man, see it? Yeah man, flour in there now and put him in a pot. Sunrise style, you know man. Yardman style outdoor cooking. Yeah man, see it here? Flour, knock off. Yes, and put him in a oil. And the fire and the pot do the work. Yeah. Come back across there again. This is our chicken leg. We just put the breast in our pot. And this is our leg. So you know me I got through here now. I'm just put in the rest of chicken then in our pot, and after I put them in our pot. You know, say me, I make you see how them look. If I put in piece, see breast, a while ago I say I put in the chicken breast, I never have breast. It's a hip. I put in a while ago. See chicken breast here now. Yeah, man. It's fried chicken, then I set it done fry, you know. They look nice, smell sweet. And yes, sir, you know, say, I have the rest of fry, also with some chicken nuggets. Yeah, man. Yard man, cooking a go on, you know, man. My fellow say peas tough, and no, it is not cooked. Peas tough. Tough. Yeah, fried chicken and the fried nuggets them ready. Right now I'm gonna make some gravy, you know, so we cut up some stuff. Man, onion, some thyme, all of them things there now, garlic, tomato, carrot. Fry them up in our oil. Make some gravy and how to eat with the rice and peas and the fried chicken. So it's pretty. Yeah, man, I'm going to take out most of the oil. See most of the oil up there, sir. So fry it up in a less oil. Smells good. Also looking good. Soon as I'm fry up, you know, so I'm throwing some water in our pot and make the natural gravy. Sauce up juice, you know, throw a little sugar in it. Yeah, some white sugar. And then when things set, throw some guineas in it. Make a little buzz there. And then you know, so I'm stirring peeps. So just like that, you see my sauce up juice. You know, so put this in the fridge now. This sweetened and ready. And over here, so you know the coconut milk. This coconut milk ready for going in a peas pot, but the peas still a boil. So as soon as the peas done boil, now throw in the coconut milk in it, but the sauce up juice done now. Chicken and done fry, looking pretty. Yeah. Yes, so now you know me I make some natural gravy. Not even natural gravy, but me just make some gravy we can eat with the fried chicken and the rice and peas. That bubble down. Yo, me say the toughest set of peas them and me buck up on them peas I cook around 3 to 4 hours. Yeah man, I never pressure peas for the day me born. I can pressure it in a peeps, but true me I cook on the wood fire, you know, say a whole heap eat that a push, but me I tell you man, this a peas, it make me get all vexed. When I tell me I say, yo, me give up on the cooking. But you can't give up on cooking because I just serve the peas tough. Watch all this done already, I gravy that and sitting. So you know what going on now? The peas finally cooking, you know, after 3.5 hours, you know. So now this, you know, the coconut milk, I'm going to put some seasoning in it, you know what I mean? I put scallion in it, I put thyme, I put piece of rosemary, I put some salt, I put some Maggi seasoning. So I'm going to throw this in a pot. Yes. See that? And stir it in. Yeah. Rice and peas are very nice and it's very red. Funny peas them. But then still not so cooking up peas, but can't wait no longer, then tough. Canada them peas are come from, you know. Yeah man, Canadian peas them man tough. So as soon as this start boil up, you know, I put in the rice. So when the rice is steamed down, me make you see what go on. Yeah, you know, so I'm going to fresh and forward back, you know. So right now, the rice must done steam by now, you know, because I put a file paper over it, so it must done by now. I check it, you know, so. You know, so everything done cook, you know what I mean? In a real life. So just do the right thing, man. Subscribe to the channel and remember to tell a friend. Also, if you tell a friend, you see it. Yeah, man. Yeah. You know, so I never have no green pepper. So I just drop a red pepper and that. But look on it. Rice and peas, pretty. Sunrise production peeps. Yeah man, shelly and nice. Yeah man, so you know I share out some food and I want to end the video. So do the right thing. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, final touch of the food this now, you know, so the sauce up juice there in the fridge. Yeah, I make it go on cool in the freezer, get some coolness. Soon go take it out. Food time, you know, food ready. Rice and peas, active peas. Coconut in the fire bush, it work. Yeah man, food nice man. Just do the right thing, subscribe to the channel. Remember to tell your friend, Food spicy and nice. Fried chicken, fully active. Just subscribe to the channel. Sauce up juice with a Guinness in it. Subscribe to the channel, fully active. I'm out.